Fall and early winter, when you live in a temperate zone like zone 8 like myself, is a fantastic time to add plants to your garden and landscape. And despite it being a fantastic time to do so, many of the online plant retailers are having fall sales. So bonus. I ordered 3 different types of plants from Great Garden Plants, and several of them are on sale right now for $9.99 each. Let me show you how good they look. Oops, almost dropped that one. I like that Great Garden Plants packages their plants in minimal plastic. The majority of the packaging is cardboard, which I can then use to sheet mulch, or I can add it to my compost pile. All my orders from Great Garden Plants have arrived in really great condition. For this order, I chose to get an extra BeautyBerry because I ordered 3 earlier in the year and realized the space needed a 4th. I also got some alliums because I am still on the hunt for an allium that in my zone 8A will come back reliably every year and will also grow bigger and more vigorous and fill out a space. And I got some ground cover because I'm constantly looking for something that will spread and provide a beautiful ground cover, especially near our walkways. As you can see, Great Garden Plants did not disappoint again. Everything is looking so good, so healthy, ready to go in the ground and ready to start growing. The ground cover I decided to try is called Blue Star Creeper, a perennial that tolerates foot traffic, making it ideal for pathways or as a lawn alternative, resistant to deer and rabbits, and for zones 5 through 9. Next up is a shrub. This is Pearl Glam BeautyBerry. Works well in zones 5 through 8. It'll reach 5 feet tall and 3 feet wide at maturity. It's covered in white blooms and bright pink berries in autumn. And lastly, we have Medusa Allium. It's also on sale right now for $9.99. It is deer resistant and pollinator friendly, zones 4 to 8. And they tout it as larger than other leading allium varieties. I planted the Blue Star Creeper off our back deck in our flagstone pathway edges. I purchased the BeautyBerries because I wanted to replace the builder grade shrubs that we had up front. Now, they're a little crowded out right now by the snapdragons that are fading. I can cut those back, but there has been no transplant shock and all of them are doing so great. Haven't figured out where I want the alliums to go. That's no surprise. So they're not planted yet, but they're still looking great and I will eventually find a spot for them.